Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Troy. Listen, my computer died on me. Okay, my computer died on me, and I haven't been able to edit any videos, anything for you guys. So you know what we're gonna do right now. This is a YouTube short video. I just want to let you know that I'm building a new computer just to post it online so you can see it, so I can get back to what I was doing before. Right. So this is your boy Troy. I will be back, but and I'm going to also show you this video of me building my PC. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.